Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today you're seeing mecha models that mecha designer Mamoru Nagano from Japan has designed, and these are from the different mecha anime series. This is the KOG, or the Knight of Gold, from the 5-star stories, and the Hyakushiki, one of my favorite and my first ever master grade Gundam model, which is a gift from my wife, and also the one of the AEUG's mobile suit from Zeta Gundam series. So this is being piloted by Char Aznable, hiding in alias Quattro Bagina. So there. And of course, this one in the middle from heavy metal L-Gaim. So there we go. So I was a big fan of the Mamoru Nagano's design because of the uniqueness of those. The design is really bizarre but unique to me in my eyes. So as you can see, here in the L-Gaim and the Knight of Gold, we can see this very pointy feet, which is the signature Mamoru or Mamoru Nagano's design. And the waist, this kind of sexy waist there, as you can see. Also in the Yakushiki, we got this very slim waist like that. So this is, by the way, a review of the heavy metal L-Gaim, and just show you the all the works of Mamoru Nagano. This video is a dedication to him. Okay, so let's begin with the L-Gaim. So this is the L-Gaim from Bandai, which came from the Real Robot Revolution series, and there I'm very happy to buy or to include it in my collection, because this is one of the rare kits that I got, and I bought it from Mandarake Japan. Yes, the Mandarake website. Okay, so it cost me around 2,000, nearly 3,000 pesos, something like that. So it's a very rare kit nowadays, and to be honest, I really like to collect all the R3 lines, and I still lack the Walker Gallia from that series. So I already got the Lasner, then this one, the L-Gaim, and hopefully I can get the Walker Gallia in the future. Okay, so there we go. This kit is a transforming kit, by the way, but I will not going to do the transformation for this kit, because as you know, I'm not the type of collector that make kits transform or keep on playing the kits by transforming it. So I'm not the guy that you know. Okay, so I will just discuss the feature of this kit, because this kit is a bit problematic in terms of posing, but the build quality is really nice. So Bandai had this kit build perfectly fine to me. Perfect means the appearance really looks like the anime. It is about 95% anime accurate, and there are no stickers with this kit. everything is perfectly color separated, and the wires here in the feet, they made it rubberized instead of the wire with metals or copper inside, so it doesn't have any. So these are all rubber. But my concern here is how long will this rubber tubes last? So that's the question. So if you're displaying this kit on a hot or humid temperature, this might break. Yeah. Then the brown parts here is really unique to me because I haven't seen any brown plastic parts in a kit before, except with this one, until I find this one. And mind you, this rubber or this brown parts are a bit rubbery feels. It has a rubbery feels on it, and tends to cement to each other, or the pegs tends to cement to each other. So uh, my mistake before I built the kit is I didn't sand those peg, but I find it still well because it doesn't hamper with the bending process. As you can see here, it doesn't have I don't have any problem on that. The joints are a bit stiff, but still you can feel that it doesn't fight with you, meaning the joint is still on the smooth gliding state, just like that. Okay. But the only thing I don't like here is the gun placement, because you cannot make it hold uh, well because of this kind of hands. The hands has this articulated fingers, but useless in holding the weapon, although it has pegs there. But if you try to make the kit hold it, this part here will hamper on the binder, the wing binder here. The wing binder here is stiff, you cannot move it. So this is a big problem because the gun, this magazine here will bump on the side, which makes it harder to pose. Okay. So the head here, you cannot turn the head well because there is this coiled wire, which I did. So in the instruction, you need to make ties on those wire on the head, and I don't feel like I did you know I did perfectly, or I did well on those. I don't feel like that because I made so many mistakes when I tie those things. Anyway, good thing it's on the back, cannot see it. So articulation here, this has very stiff parts on the torso. By the way, the torso is made of rubber. And again, my only concern on this is how long this rubber will last if you're going to display it. Okay, so there we go. It can do some twist or side by side rotation on the waist, but I cannot do so because it's a bit stiff. Okay, so the feet, or the rather the shoulder, are made of hinge, so it's a bit stiff. Then the arms here are made of ball joint, or connected of ball joint, but it can rotate 360 degrees like that. Okay, and it can do some inward or outward flex like that, outward, inward like that. The shoulders can raise up to this far, and there's no rotation on the bicep. I tried rotating, but because I forget, but there's no rotation there. Okay, so the elbows can bend to this far, almost 180 degrees. Then we got a flap on this wrist here. There we go. We got the flap on those. There. And the hands are on ball joint. And this kind of old school trigger finger and thumb on the ball joint. Okay. Then we got this pods or this binders here, which is attached on the peg here. So the peg here can also cater the big gun during transformation, and also if you don't like the binder here, you can put the gun there like this. You can slot it there, but it's now in balance. We don't have the other binder here, so it's still cool if you don't like the binder, so you can remove it. Oops. Then we got this side gun here attached on the forearm in the back. There we got these slots here and the pegs there. Okay, but it's very loose. Maybe I will put some super glue on that. Okay, and for the feet, let's go with the legs rather. So we got this flaps here, and raise up and put down. So this is for the transformation sequence. Then we got on the waist, we got those binding parts here, binders that's connected to hinge and ball joint. But this is very annoying. This is such an annoying part here. Okay, so there we go. We can make the kit kick up to this far. There we go, and bend the knees. So there we got double jointed bend here. So there you can see we got a double joint bend. The knees are very very large. Yeah, we got a very long segment here for the knees, and of course there we go. We can bring it back like that, and there, raise this up, and there. Okay, so the feet here is on ball joint, and we got moving parts here. Okay, on the heels, then the toes can also bend like that. So plantar extend, plantar flex, and there we go. Yeah, making it stand is not a problem because it's not that back, it doesn't have any back heaviness. So there, it can stand well on its own, just like that. Okay, so as you can see, I tried the start of the video, I made him pose in shooting mode, but still no good. So a good thing you can pose it by making him hold the gun, oops, like this. So there's a slot there, those hole there, can make him hold the gun like this. Okay, you can put the finger like that, and the pegs from the hand can make him hold the gun like this. Okay, and so you can display him like he's always holding the gun like that. Okay, which is very nice. It's still nice to do. It will make him pose in a neutral pose or neutral stance like that. Okay, and there we go. And we can bring back the binder on the other arm. Oops, there we go. Oops, it's a bit loose. Okay, there you go. We got this kit posed neutrally and still has its own elegance. So there we got the R3 heavy metal L-Gaim from Bandai. This is, by the way, a 1/100 scale kit. So is it worthy to buy? Yes, for me this is worthy to buy. I can buy it and include in your collection. By the way, there are wires included with this kit, but I lost it. Sorry. So again, thank you so much for watching this review. This is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, and take care.